If you care about supporting your brain and maintaining mental clarity over time, please watch this carefully. Today, we are talking about a simple food that has been part of human diets for centuries: walnuts. At first glance, they may seem like just another type of nut, but walnuts contain a unique combination of nutrients that make them especially valuable. One of the most interesting aspects of walnuts is their natural composition. They are rich in healthy fats, particularly a type of omega-3 fatty acid called alpha-linolenic acid. Omega-3 fats play an important role in supporting normal brain function. The brain itself is made up of a significant amount of fat, and maintaining a healthy balance of fats is part of supporting its structure and communication. Walnuts also contain antioxidants. Antioxidants help protect cells from oxidative stress, a natural process that occurs over time. When oxidative stress becomes unbalanced, it can affect how cells function. Supporting cellular balance is one of the key elements of long-term well-being. Another quiet benefit of walnuts is their potential role in supporting memory and focus. Some research suggests that diets including nuts like walnuts are associated with better cognitive performance over time. While no single food defines brain health, consistent habits play a meaningful role. Walnuts also provide important nutrients such as magnesium, which contributes to normal nerve function, and vitamin E, which supports cellular protection. In addition, walnuts contain fiber, which supports digestive balance and contributes to overall metabolic stability. The combination of healthy fats, antioxidants, and fiber makes walnuts a well-rounded food. The key is moderation. Because walnuts are energy-dense, small portions are usually enough. A small handful per day can be a practical and balanced approach. Walnuts can be added to meals in simple ways. They can be included in breakfast bowls, salads, or enjoyed on their own as a snack. Walnuts are not a miracle cure. They do not replace medical care. Their strength lies in consistency. Small, regular habits often have the greatest long-term impact. Sometimes, the foods that look the simplest carry the most meaningful support. If you found this explanation helpful and you enjoy calm, science-based discussions about everyday nutrition, please consider subscribing to our channel. And if you liked this video, a simple like helps more people discover reliable and balanced health information. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.